What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down a huge trade that we took live trading in a private Discord. We do not have a Twitch stream, so make sure you get into the private Discord because that's where we trade every single day, whether it's a Twitch stream or there is not. We caught this huge 200% gain and still going. This is still going down. It's completely nuking. We took a reversal right at the top of this big impulsive move up, and then we shorted it pretty much all the way down. A lot of people were scared of this trade, catching reversals. You guys know that my main strategy is to catch reversals, and I teach you guys on this channel how we find them, how we spot them, and everything in between. So we'll talk about this QQ trade. We're going to be breaking everything down. So let's first off, per usual, we'll remove all the drawings, right? We'll start from here, and we'll look at our larger time frame. Let's see what happened yesterday. So yesterday we had a green candle, pretty much an inside candle. We didn't see much from Friday, and again, Friday, not a lot going on there either, but what we can spot out is this daily gap that was tapped and was claimed. Remember, the halfway point is what we look for when we're looking for a gap. So if the halfway point has been touched, we pretty much count that gap as being validated, which we did on Friday. So that was our goal for the upside, if you remember from the last week prior. So then we hit it, and now we're looking for a pullback to kind of test its lows and see if we're going to make the higher low and then push higher. So what we're looking for the week, it's more likely a move lower. But so where can our move lower be? What can it be drawn onto, right? So we have these lows here that probably needs to either get retested or at least hold above. We also like to look at our golden pocket. So our golden pocket from here will be right around this area. So those are areas that I'm thinking that we can go and retrace to, right? So where I guess I have to think in my mind, where is price more than likely go to, upside or downside, and then build my weekly bias for that. So in this case will be the downside. Now that I established, I'm looking for at least Monday, Tuesday, or on Wednesday, I'm looking for my move to the downside. Where is a good entry to take those downside trades? Yesterday, we actually took long-sided trades on Monday, looking for those higher highs to then retest and then break the lows, which we saw today. On a 50-minute time frame, I was spotting this area right here, which is this 50-minute fair value gap that has not been tapped yet, as well as I just showed you guys the golden pocket was roughly a little bit below. That can be a secondary area, but those are going to be the areas that I'm targeting and now just look for my short entries. So the market opened up after a pretty decent sell-off pre-market with these big green candles. And at 10 a.m. we had news. To keep in mind, when there's an important news or right folder, in this case today was JOLTS, questioning about unemployment report, those sort of deals with JOLTS today. You think about that, it's usually going to be a manipulation tactic where price tends to reverse at a 10 a.m. reversal because you have news, and news is the catalyst of the reverse manipulation. And when we talk about manipulation, we talk about move up and then retrace, and then, opposite direction, or move down and then opposite direction. And we also have to think about, where are we in the stage of the market? I made a video which I'm sure all you guys watched, the 3 stages of the market. If you didn't watch it, please go watch it. You need to think about what stage are you in the market. So if you get a pretty strong impulsive down, right, move down, and we don't want to fight the trends. You get this pretty strong impulsive down, what should you be expecting after impulsive down? As we talk about in there, a retracement and then another impulsive down with with at least 3 waves that go down, right? So this will probably go boom, 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 and then the last one to be our drawn liquidity down here, and then maybe you get a reversal. But whenever there's 3 stages of the market you get pullback, reversal, and continuation, or we call expansion, pullback, and then consolidation. So now we have expansion to the downside. Now we're looking for a leg to be the pullback. The pullback leg is the leg to the opposite direction, and now I'm looking for an entry. What I'm going to draw? I'm going to draw my golden pocket from the high to that previous low, and guess where we line up? Right into the golden pocket. What else do we have there, guys? This is a 15-minute time frame. Keep in mind, 15-minute time frame is right into this area, and guess where we enter? We enter a show right around that area. If you go to SPY, same fucking thing. Easy, guys. You hit the 5-minute, the 15-minute fair value gap. On the 5-minute doesn't look as clean as it's a pre-market, but it's there. Don't worry. That's why you want to look at this other time frame. We enter short. We had the previous day closing as our stop loss. So if I go to settings, if you not to set your previous day closing, go to settings, and then here charting ideas, session breaks. Go to symbols, and then previous day close. Set it as you want. I like to be yellow. And we got our previous day close. If you guys can see it, it's right this. So we enter right around this area. Our entry was not the cleanest. We did actually enter once here and then once here. I a little rushed it, but I said it's a very small entry. Just want some skin in the game. and then added a full position here. And then we took a short, with our short first being this small fair value gap here, first PT, second PT the lows, third PT down here, and then eventually can be down here. That's where we're at. I probably don't see this going any lower than what it is currently, but it's like the areas that I was looking at. Yeah, it's a pretty clean trade, understanding. The market is this. The market is always going to be the same setups, right? I can show you the same setups, but if you're not understanding them, here it's because you're not understanding what you need to look for. One is structure. What is the structure, right? I showed you guys it was a bullish move down. So the structure, then it's a flow chart. Structure. If bullish, what do you do? Excuse my drawing. It's terrible. If bullish, what do you do? Build a flow chart. Why don't you have a flow chart? Don't make me make one for you. If bearish, what do you do? Right? If bearish, what do you do? What do you look for? Right? If the structure is, okay, it's bearish. Okay, you said, okay, it's bearish because we went down. If it's bearish, then are you in pullback phase? Pull. Are you in expansion? EXP. Are you in consolidation? Okay, I'm in expansion phase. What am I looking for? Do I chase the bottom? I do not want to chase the bottom. Look for, where can it bounce, right? Can bounce? Okay, but you're looking for a bounce. What is the, right? And then you go on. Where's the golden pocket? Where is the fair value gaps? Where's your drawn liquidity? Where's your liquidity? Right? You ask yourself, and then you build a structure. You understand structure. You have a flow chart. You guys ever seen a flow chart? Bullish, here, we put bull. If bullish, then what's your options? Okay, these are my options. What is my stop loss? And then you build a plan. Say, build a plan, guys. Build a fucking flow chart. Don't make me build it for you. Unless you trade live with me, then I always have a plan. So that was our trade, just a sweet trade, guys. A 1 to 6, we'll put it like even worse, 1 to 3, whatever you want to pull it, like however you want to draw this. It's a beautiful, beautiful trade. We sat in drawdown for about like 5 to 10 minutes. Some people were stressed out, but the only reason you get stressed out in a trade is because you don't understand why you're taking a trade. I felt very calm, added to my position. Fucking amazing trade, guys. And get in the chat room. I'll do yourself a favor. Use code 5 at checkout for $5 your first week. $5. You catch this trade, pays for 2 years. Easy. I think, guys, Sunny has made over $6,000 today. Sunny has made over $10,000. So please get in the chat room. Understand why we're taking these trades. Learn. Come, watch some other videos. Because not all of you guys watch the 3 phases of the market. If you don't watch the 3 phases of the market, you don't know what phase we were in here, and that's why I looked for the continuation down versus a reversal to the upside, right? You understand? If you don't understand that, you should understand the hourly. You understand that you got a pullback. This was the expansion, and this is the pullback, and now you're looking for an expansion or the higher low here to confirm the reversal and the new uptrend. Then what are we doing here? All right, as always, guys, leave a like, subscribe to your boy, and peace.